This is a 2007 BMW 6 Series. This coupe has an automatic transmission and a 5.0-liter V10. Its top features include a limited slip differential, a sports suspension, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a navigation system, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, shadow line trim, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, an anti-lock braking system, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button. And this vehicle has less than 43,000 miles. Not to mention that this BMW qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.